Hi, hello everyone. This is chapter 1 packet forwarding. Talking about I'm going to be talking about how your device, the PC, gets out from a switch to a router and then router to a router. So this is the chapter background. This section is sectionized to three parts, and in these three parts we talk about the main terms. What do they mean? Their structure, especially in the V, especially some specialized topic like VLAN, and then how are they created and how do we view them. So in the network part, in the network part, one part is different. Is that in the packet routing, I'm showing you how the router, the device goes to the switch and then to the router and then router to router. So IP address is a device. Default gateway is the process from the PC getting to the router. So between that is the switch and then router to router next hop. While router is going to the next router, there is an routing protocols, which is EIGRP static routes, and the routed switch port, routed subinterface, and and SVIA are the layer 3 parts of the network. So this is what happens in the packet forwarding part. So the main thing in this topic is that instead of the CPU handling everything, routing decisions, getting the MAC addresses, choosing the best path for reaching to the Google or receiving a DNS queries, instead of CPU handling, ISIC chip is there's an ISIC chip that delegates all these tasks to. And this is the route processor, this is the routing table, this is where CPU used to handle it. Now these parts are all delegated to the ISIC chip. So we can see that there are other terms that describes what is an active, what is a what are the active and standby protocols, and SDM and process switching. Only the process switching is the part where it talks about, hey, this is my history. Now we are going through this part. This is the modern solution for routing and switching. And yeah, this is the summary for this chapter from the CCNP chapters. And let me know down in the comments that what part did you guys not understood, and are these notes even it's understandable or not? Because what I'm doing right now is I'm creating the notes and summarizing as much as possible about it and making it very simple. This is how I understood, and I hope it's easy for you guys to understand also. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.